From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning and happy Friday. Right now we are taking a look over at Beaver Stadium, where the main story isn't necessarily the clouds, but it's the haze in the distance. So right now, as you can see, it is around 39 degrees and relatively clear skies aside from that haze. Now as you look at the visibility, we see 7 miles per hour. That is due to some wildfires going down south, and that haze is pushing up into the region. Now as we look at temperatures, locally, we can see over here 39, 37 in Clearfield. As we look west to Du Bois, we can see 56, and it's much of the same as we zoom out of the state. The western half over in the 50s, Franklin at 53, Pittsburgh almost reaching 60 over here. But as we head into the eastern half of the state and the mountains, we can see Williamsport at 34, Allentown sitting over at 37. So still relatively chilly in those places as you head on out for your day. Now, as we're looking to the future weather, we can see a big swath of rain come out if you're trying to get out of State College this afternoon. If you're trying to head west, be sure to stay wary of this large swath of rain that should be heading in around noon or so to the western portion of the state, and around your evening commute, we could already be seeing rain here in State College. Now, as we head into the evening hours, that rain is going to shift east across the state, and if you are heading east home for Thanksgiving, be sure to head out before this evening rush and these storms pull in. Now, as we go throughout the night, we can see temperatures take a turn down, and we should see those skies clear out. Now, looking back at those hazy skies, hopefully this rainy swath will make sure that that haze is pushed out. Now, as we're looking at this swath, we can see it extend all the way to Kentucky and all the way up north into Canada, where you can see a little bit of snow up there if you look really closely. If you're heading west or north during any of these times, be wary of rain this afternoon for sure. If you're even heading down south, like into Virginia, we could see overnight weather turn a bit wet and wild around midnight hours into overnight. But however, this is going to clear out into Saturday and into Sunday morning. So you should have that perfect weekend for any of your traveling that you want to get done. Now, as we look into tonight, we should see some tapering showers with a low of 36. Now, if we look over at the winds, we have winds from the south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we head into tomorrow, those winds are going to escalate to 10 to 15 miles per hour. And that doesn't include gusts, which could reach up to 25 miles per hour on game day. So a bit chillier and a bit windier. Now, if you're going to the Rutgers game today, it's our last home game of the season. At the tailgates, you might want to grab the cocoa because it's going to be around 37 as you head into Beaver Stadium. Now, at kickoff, we could see a few clouds and temperatures rise a little bit to 45, and those will persist into the fourth quarter. Similar conditions around 46 to round out that game. Now, as we look at our 7-day forecast, we can see the cool and windy conditions on Saturday. That's going to go down to 32 on Saturday night. On Sunday, we could see some sunny skies with a high of 49. And once again, those lows are going to get down below freezing this time to 27. For Monday, we could see some building clouds with a high of 45. It's going to get down to 33, and that includes the potential for some mixed precipitation, potentially freezing rain or sleet, especially as you head into the northeast portion of PA. And we could see a high of around 43 that day as it switches on over to rain for the rest of the afternoon. Lows there could get down to 35 on Tuesday night. Now, as we head into Wednesday, there's going to be a large temperature drop with that rain, and you could see temperatures of around 52 in the morning, and those are just going to plummet throughout the day as we head into our Thanksgiving morning, as we get down to 27. And as you head into your turkey trot, definitely add some layers, and for Thanksgiving, your high could be around 37, so definitely dress warmly. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Hannah Ruisi. Have an awesome weekend and amazing Thanksgiving.